Over the course of evolution, human beings used tools for hunting and gathering. Other than human beings, monkeys also used tools. But there is another species in the ocean that also uses tools, and that species is dolphin. In 2014, Australian scientists discovered that dolphins use sponges that grow on sea floor to catch fish. This behavior seems to be passed on from mother to daughter dolphin. Then dolphins were also spotted using conch shells to trap fish and then shaking their catch into their mouths to eat it. This method is known as shelling. Now, researchers have shown that the dolphins learn this type of hunting from their friends. It is the first time social learning involving a tool has been discovered in these mammals. This is a very rare example of such learning in the animal kingdom. Scientists who study social cultures have shown that this type of social learning is typically found in animals that are able to accept other animals being nearby. For instance, chimpanzees can make twig tools for termite fishing, they can make leaf sponges for collecting water, and they can also make pointed sticks for hunting. Chimpanzees, gorillas and human beings have the ability to learn a behavior socially, that is, they can learn a behavior from their friends. But when it comes to dolphins, the mother dolphin and the little dolphin are very close, that is, they share a very tight bond for the first 2 years. And during that time period, the mother dolphin teaches the little dolphin about social behavior and feeding techniques. So scientists decided to study how dolphins learn their shelling technique. They spotted 19 dolphins in the act of shelling 42 times. Some dolphins use shells quite regularly while others use shell only once. To find out how this way of hunting spread from one dolphin to the next, the researchers looked at the influence of environmental factors, genes and the dolphin's social network. After that, they came to a conclusion that dolphins learn shelling from associates within their social group. This study gives us the first evidence that dolphins are capable of learning things from their friends also, and not just their mothers. Actually, species who have this capacity, that is, this capacity to learn things from their friends, tend to survive better than animals who do not. Dolphins are actually very friendly creatures, so this study gives us the hope that we need not worry about the extinction of this one species at least. Stay connected with us for more such very interesting topics. This is Nisha PS.